Manager Besa of PNB Lingayen branch?
PNB Dagupan and Lingayen are going to distribute relief goods given by the bank worth around 80,000. This will be distributed to affected areas in Dagupan and Lingayen. This repack, this is around 1,200 bags.
Thank you, sir. PNB Lingayen and PNB Dagupan doing their share in the operation relief for earthquake victims in the areas affected here in Pangasinan. Good compliments of PNB for the quake victims. Good Samaritans, the personnel of PNB Lingayen and PNB Dagupan helping one another for the distributions for the earthquake victims. PNB personnel, all busy bodies. Busy bodies. Look at those beautiful people here in PNB. Everybody is doing their share for the benefit of our quake victims. PNB Lingayen and PNB Dagupan personnel helping one another. Fred Besa of PNB Lingayen supervising the relief operation tulong for our countrymen who were affected by the strong quake that rocked the zone 16 Monday 1990, followed by almost 30 aftershocks. Here in the Pangasinan area, PNB has also given its big share in Cabanatuan City and Baguio City, La Union and other areas.